Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 4 of Open Up the Heavens by either Vertical Worship or Meredith Andrews, whichever version you prefer. My name is Mandy, and I am so glad that you are here. Sign Language Worship is a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you how to worship God through sign language. So we'll get started right away, but housekeeping, remember, I am left-handed, which means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. Look below this video in the description to find lots of helpful links like printing off the lyrics. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel and check out the website, signlanguageworship.com. Okay, today, show us your glory, and show us your power, repeating a couple times. So for show, this is the sign for show. Okay, so you have your dominant hand with your fingers widespread, and your non-dominant hand is just showing your index finger. Okay, now some people do this directionally, like you could do, God showing us, and you could do that for sure, but I like to do show us. Just my preference. You can do what your preference is, because remember, this is about your worship to God. Perfection doesn't matter, it's your heart that matters. Show us your, pointing to God in heaven, and then glory. And then show us your power, and then it repeats. Show us your glory, Lord. And then show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory, Lord. I got a tickle in my throat, excuse me. Okay, let's try that from the top. Show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory, and then Lord, L. And then repeat that. Show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory, Lord. That's the entire bridge. Should we do it one more time just because it's fun? I like it. Show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory, Lord. And that repeats. Show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory, Lord. And that's the bridge. And that means you have learned everything you need for this song. So tomorrow we will walk through, we'll put the last 4 days all together, and we'll do a walkthrough, and then after that, it's time to sign with the music. Can't wait. See you later. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe, that way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.